Hi dear students, good morning. How are you? Are you fine? I hope all are going well. Welcome students to our maths class. Students, what all things we studied in last class? You just say line segment, ray and comparison of angles. Okay, today we are going to learn about our new topic, types of angle, construction of a given angle and plane figures and perimeters. Okay, all of you listen here. Are you ready for the class? Okay, take your text, page number 148. 148. Our first topic is types of angles. Types of angles. Okay, first one is acute angle. First one is acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. And acute angle measures between 0 degree to 90 degree. It is always less than 90 degree. Okay. Acute angle measures between 0 degree to 0 degree to 90 degree. Don't write it. Measures 0 degree to 90 degree. It is always less than 90 degree. It is always less than 90 degree. It is always less than 90 degree. Okay. Here angle AOB. Angle AOB. Then listen here. Angle AOB. O is the vertex. Then acute angle. Okay. Okay. The examples for acute angle. This is 50 degree. This is 50 degree. Angle AOB. Angle AOB is the acute angle. Angle AOB is the acute angle because angle AOB is 50 degree. Okay. Angle AOB is 50 degree. 0 degree to 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. It is acute angle. Okay. Okay. Take your rough and write. Only rough. Then next one, our next angle is right angle. Right angle. Okay. Second one is right angle. Right angle. Right angle. A right angle is an angle that is measures 90 degree. It is always 90 degree. Right angle is always 90 degree. Okay. Right angle is always 90 degree. Okay. Angle AOB. Angle AOB. We want to angle AOB. OB. Then we want to 90 degree. Okay. Then mark this here. Point. Okay. Point A. Then join this point. Join these points. Okay. Angle AOB is 90 degree. Angle AOB is 90 degree. Angle AOB is 90 degree. Okay. Angle AOB is 90 degree. This is the right angle. Angle AOB is right angle. This is right angle because it is 90 degree. Okay, angle AOB is right angle because it is 90 degree. Okay, rectangle and this in your rough, only your rough note. Then write it. Did you finish? Okay, next one. Obtuse angle. Third one is obtuse angle. An obtuse angle measures between 90 degree to 180 degree. It is always more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Okay, obtuse angle measures between 90 degree to 180 degree. 90 degree മുതൽ 180 degree വരെ ഉള്ള മെഷർ ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെയാണ് ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ് ആംഗിൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾവേസ് മോർ ദാൻ 90 ഡിഗ്രി. ഓക്കെ, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഓൾവേസ് മോർ ദാൻ 90 ഡിഗ്രി. എപ്പോഴും 90 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളും കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ് ആംഗിൾ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 180 ഡിഗ്രി, അതുപോലെ തന്നെ 180 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളും കുറവുമായിരിക്കും. 90 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളും കൂടുതലുമായിരിക്കും, 180 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളും കുറവുമായിരിക്കും ഒബ്റ്റ്യൂസ് ആംഗിൾസ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, obtuse angle, it is measures between 90 degree to measures between 90 degree to 180 degree and then it is always more than 90 degree. It is always more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. It is always more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. Okay, here angle AOB, angle AOB angle AOB angle AOB this is for one example for you. This is angle AOB is 120 degree. Angle AOB is 120 degree. It is an obtuse angle. It is obtuse angle. Angle AOB is obtuse angle because it is 180 degree. 90 to 180 degree is an obtuse angle. This angle AOB is 120 degree. Obtuse angle. Okay, angle AOB is 120 degree. This is obtuse angle. 90 degree to 180 degree. Then it is more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Angle AOB. Here angle AOB is 120 degree. It is obtuse angle because obtuse angle is 90 to 180 degree. It measures between 90 degree to 180 degree. 90 degree മുതൽ 180 degree വരെയാണ് obtuse angle മെഷർ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. Okay. Then next one, straight angle. Okay, next one is straight angle. Straight angle. Straight angle measures 180 degree. It is always 180 degree. straight angle is always 180 degree and angle AOB is straight angle. Listen here, straight angle is measured in 180 degree. Straight angle എപ്പോഴും മെഷർ ചെയ്യുന്നത് 180 ഡിഗ്രിയിലായിരിക്കും സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ആംഗിൾ AOB, ആംഗിൾ AOB angle AOB 180 degree. Okay, it is straight angle. Angle AOB, it is straight angle 180 degree. It is always 180 degrees. Straight angle is always 180 degree. Angle AOB is 180 degree. It is straight angle. Okay, it is straight angle. Okay, right? Then our next one is reflex angle. What is reflex angle? A reflex angle measures less than 360 degree but more than 180 degree. A reflex angle measures less than 360 degree but more than 180 degree. A reflex angle എപ്പോഴും 180 ഡിഗ്രീൻ്റെയും 360 ഡിഗ്രിയുടെയും ഇടയിലായിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടാവുന്നത്. 360 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളും കൂടുതൽ ഉണ്ടാവത്തില്ല, 180 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളിലും കൂടുതലായിരിക്കും. ഓക്കെ, 360 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളിലും കുറവുമായിരിക്കും, 180 ഡിഗ്രീനേക്കാളിലും കൂടുതലുമായിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുക റിഫ്ലെക്സ് ആംഗിൾ. Reflex angle measures less than 360 degree and more than 180 degree. Less than 360 degree and more than 180 degree. Okay, then this is the angle AOB. Angle AOB angle AOB angle AOB angle AOB, it is the reflex angle. Angle AOB is reflex angle because it is more than 180 degree. This angle is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Okay, write it. Did you finish? Okay, our next one is zero angle. Zero angle Okay, an angle measuring 0 degree is known as a zero angle. And angle measuring 0 degree is always known as zero angle. 0 degree. Okay. Angle AOB, angle OA, angle OA, angle OA, it is angle okay. Our next one is 0 angle. Next one is 0 angle. Zero angle, and angle measuring 0 degree is known as 0 angle, and angle measuring 0 degree in 0 degree, angle measuring 0 degrees is known as 0 angle. Angle AOA, angle AOA is a 0 angle. Angle AOA is a 0 angle. Okay, here, listen here. O angle, it is 0 degree. It is 0 degree. Okay, can you follow me? Okay. Our next topic is construction of a given angle. Construction of a given angle. Construction of a given angle. Okay, construct angle AOB 40 degree. Construct angle AOB 40 degree. We want to 40 degree. Firstly, our first step is we want to angle AOB 40 degree. Firstly, we draw a ray OB. OA. Okay. Listen here. Firstly, we draw a ray OA. Okay. OA. Then take the protractor. Then center is here. Then we want to 40 degree. Then mark the 40 degrees here. Then join this point. Okay. Join this point. Okay. This is point B. Okay. This is 40 degree. Okay. All of you look at your protractor. Inner scale numbers. You measured in inner scale numbers. Only inner scale numbers. Okay. നിങ്ങളുടെ പ്രൊട്ടക്ടറിലെ ഇന്നർ സ്കെയിലുള്ള നമ്പേഴ്സ് മാത്രം വെച്ചിട്ട് മതി നിങ്ങൾ മെഷർ ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. ഓക്കെ കറക്റ്റ്ലി നമ്മൾ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ വെച്ചു. സെൻറ്റർ പോയിൻ്റ് ഓയിൽ വെച്ചു. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ നമുക്ക് 40 ഡിഗ്രിയാണ് വേണ്ടത്. 40 ഡിഗ്രിയുടെ അവിടെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തു. ദെൻ ജോയിൻ ഒ ആൻഡ് ബി പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് നമ്മൾ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് 40 degree. This is 40 degree. Okay, angle AOB 40 degree. Angle AOB 40 degree. Okay, write it in your ref note. Okay, then one example for you. In exercise 8.2. So many questions are there. I will explain one question. Remains are your homework. In exercise 8.2, draw the angle using a protractor. Name the type of angle in each case. Okay. Angle exercise 8.2. Angle ABC 15 degree. Okay. Angle AOB. ABC. Angle ABC. B and C. B and C. Then 15 degree. Angle ABC 15 degree. You mark 15 is here. Then ABC 15 degree. Angle ABC 15 degree. Angle ABC 15 degree. Okay. Did you understand this? Okay. Draw this 15 degree angle ABC. Angle ABC 15 degree. Okay. Draw. Did you finish? Okay. Then our next topic is plane figures. In plane figures, we are already learned plane figures in previous classes. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. Okay. Then our next topic is plane figures. Plane figures. Plane figures. Okay. Firstly, we discuss in plane figure square. Okay. Square. It is a plane figure with 4 equal sides and each angle is 90 degree. Okay. Square is a plane figure. Square is a plane figure with 4 equal sides and each angle equal to 90 degree. Okay. Here each angle equal to 90 degree. Okay. It is a plane figure. Then all sides are equal. In square, all sides are equal. All sides are equal and 90 degree. It is 90 degree. Always 90 degree does. Okay. This is square. Okay. This is the shape of square. Then okay. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. Angle 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is all sides are equal. Therefore, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay. AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. CD equal to DA. All sides are equal. All sides സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ എല്ലാ സൈഡ്സും ഈക്വൽ ആണ്. അത് കാരണം AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. Okay. Then therefore angle 1 equal to angle 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to 90 degree. Okay. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 equal to 90 degree. All sides are equal. That is, all sides are 90 degree. All sides are 90 degree. Okay. All sides are 90 degree. Then, our next topic is square. Next topic is square. Next plane figure is square. Sorry, rectangle. 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 Okay. It is a plane figure with 4 sides. Its opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degree. All angles are equal to 90 degree. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Then all angles are equal to 90 degree. All angles equal to 90 degree. All angles equal to 90 degree. And thus AB here rectangle, two sides are in rectangle, two sides are equal. Then AB, A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. PQRS. PQRS. Here AB equal to BC equal to BC AB equal to DC. AB is equal to DC and DA, because opposite sides are equal. In rectangle, in the shape of rectangle, opposite sides are equal. And this side is equal, and this side is equal. Okay. AB equal to DC, then DA equal to CB. DA equal to CB. DA equal to CB. Okay. Therefore, angle P equal to angle Q equal to angle R equal to angle S 90 degree. Okay. This is the shape of rectangle. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal. That is, opposite sides are equal, and this side and this side and this side and this side is equal. Therefore, AB equal to DC, AB equal to DC, DA equal to CB. Okay. Here, cone P equal to cone Q, cone R equal to cone S. Okay. It is 90 degree. It is always 90 degree. Okay. Our next one is, our next figure is triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, only 3 sides. Triangle. The 3 sides are equal. The triangle, 3 sides are equal. It is the closed figure triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. AB sides are AB and BC and CA is the sides. Okay, three sides. They form a closed figure called a triangle. This is the closed figure. This is called triangle. Okay, this is the closed figure. This is called triangle. Okay. Then our next one is circle. Next one is circle. Circle. A circle is a closed figure which is round in shape. It does not have any vertices. Circle have any vertices? No. Circle circle have no vertices. This is a circle. Okay, this is a circle. A circle is a closed figure which is rounded shapes. Okay, this is circle. It has no vertices, no vertex. Okay. Then point A. Point A or point O. Okay. The fixed point is called center. The fixed point is called center. The fixed point is called center. Fixed point is 0. Okay. All of you listen here. All of you listen here. Take your scale and compass. Okay. Draw a circle with the help of compass. We want to. Okay. Okay, this is the shape of circle. Okay, this is the shape of circle. And this point is called center. This point is called this point is a fixed point. This is a fixed point. Okay. Okay, this is the fixed point to draw circle. This point is called center. This point is called center. Okay, O is the center. O is the center. Here, center is O. Okay, center is O. Center is O. Okay, this is the shapes of circle. The center point is O. Center is O. Okay. This is a fixed point. Okay. Did you understand these plain figures? Triangle, circle, rectangle and square. Then we are discussing a new topic, radius. What is radius? Did you know? Radius. Radius. Okay. Firstly, we want to draw a circle. Okay. This is the shape of circle. This is the shape of circle. Okay. Center is O. Then what is radius? We take 2 points. You take 2 points. Point Q and point Q and point P. Point Q and point P. Okay. Then join this point OQ and OP. O2, OQ and OP. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Join these 2 points. Okay. OQ is the radius and OP is the radius. OQ and OP is the radius. Okay. In this figure, OQ equal to OP. OQ equal to OP. Same distance. OQ നും OQയിലേക്കും OPയിലേക്കും സെയിം ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? The distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. Okay, radius of the circle എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ നമ്മുടെ ഈ സെൻറ്റർ പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് ഏത് സൈഡിലേക്കും നമ്മൾ ഹിയർ പോയിന്റ് ആറിലേക്ക് നമ്മളൊരു ലൈൻ വരച്ചു. ഈ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിനെയാണ് എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? റേഡിയസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഈ സർക്കിളിലുള്ള പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് എങ്ങോട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഒരു ലൈൻ വരച്ചാലും അതിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? റേഡിയസ് എന്ന് പറയും. ലൈൻ വരച്ചാൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് അല്ലേ? ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിനെയാണ് എന്തെന്ന് പറയുന്നത്? റേഡിയസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. Okay, what is radius? Distance from the center of the circle to any point on the circle. ഈ പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന് ഏത് 0 എന്ന പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന്, അതായത് O എന്ന പോയിന്റിൽ നിന്ന്, സെൻറ്ററിൽ നിന്ന് ഏത് പോയിന്റിലേക്ക് വേണേലും നമുക്ക് ഉള്ള ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആണെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് റേഡിയസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദിസ് ഈസ് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കും. എങ്ങോട്ട് വരച്ചാലും സെയിം ഡിസ്റ്റൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ടോപ്പിക് ഈസ് ഡയാമീറ്റർ. Diameter okay, what is diameter? Okay, listen, this is circle, this is the shape of circle, then center O. Then we draw the line segment. Through the center. Okay. Then point Q and P. Okay, 2 points Q and P. We draw the line segment through the center, point Q and point P. Okay, then this is the diameter. What is radius? Radius is here in this figure diameter is QOP. Okay, diameter is QPO. Okay, then radius is OP or OQ. Okay, then how to find the diameter? How to find out the diameter? Okay, one example for you. Example for you. Find the diameter of a circle whose radius 3 centimeter. Radius 3 centimeter. Okay, listen here. This is a 3 centimeter radius. 3 centimeter radius. Radius means here radius is OP or OQ. Okay, OP and OQ. Okay. And here radius equal to 3 centimeter. 3 centimeter. Diameter equal to 2 into 3 because 2 radius is here. 2 radius is here. Okay, 2 radius is here. The first one is OQ and OP. 2 radius is here. Then radius equal to, we want to find out the diameter. Okay, diameter equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. Okay. Then 3 2s are 2 into radius is 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 is 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. Therefore, diameter is 6 centimeter. Diameter is 6 centimeter. Okay. Listen, this is the diameter. Diameter QP. Okay. Okay, diameter PQ or QP. Then we want to find out the diameter of circle. Okay. Then radius 3 centimeter. How to find out the diameter? 2 into radius. Here 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 3 is the radius. 2 into 3 we get the answer 6. Therefore, diameter is 6 centimeter. Okay. Then another example for you. Then radius is 4 centimeter. We want to find out the diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius is 4 centimeter. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Therefore, diameter is 8. Okay, diameter is 8. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay, good. Then our next topic is perimeter. Perimeter. Then our next topic is perimeter. Okay, listen here. The perimeter of closed figure is the distance around the figure. It is equal to the sum of length of all the sides of the figure. Okay. Perimeter. How to find out the perimeter? Okay. Okay. Perimeter D, C, A and B. Here DC and AB. Okay. All distance. Okay. How to find out the perimeter? How to find out? Okay. Exercise. One example for you. Perimeter. This perimeter 2 centimeter and here 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. How to find out the perimeter? How to find out? Okay. 2 plus perimeter equal to perimeter equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 is the perimeter. Perimeter is 8 is the perimeter. Okay. Sum of the length of all sides of figure. Perimeter is the sum of the length of all sides of the figure. എല്ലാ സൈഡ്സുള്ള ഫിഗറിൻ്റെയും ടോട്ടൽ ആണ് പെരിമീറ്റർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, ടോട്ടൽ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ, then in your text page number 151 exercise 8.4. I will explain in exercise 8.4. So many questions are there. I will explain some questions. Remains are your homework. Then first one, find the exercise 8.4. Find the perimeter. 3 centimeter. Here 3 centimeter. How to find out the perimeter? How to find out? We add all sides. Perimeter equal to all sides. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Okay. 3 plus 3 6 plus 3 9 plus 3 12. We get the answer 12. Okay, right. Write it. Okay, good. Okay. Dear students, this chapter is over. This is our last chapter. This chapter is over. If you have any doubt in this topic, please ask me. Okay, thank you.